Hi everyone, this is Mary. Welcome back to the Artistry Corner. I want to apologize for not participating in the last two collabs. I was not feeling well, and of course, health comes first. I want to thank Mary from Resin Me Up and Laura from Laura's Design Studio for all their help and patience while I got better. I truly enjoy Wednesday's collab, and I'm grateful they allowed me to hop back in to the groove of things. This video is part of a fun collaboration called Coasting Through the Week with these amazing YouTube creators. You'll find their channels linked in the description down below, including the playlist, so be sure to check them out and see what coaster projects they've created. And if you're a creator and would like to join us on Wednesdays, all the contact info is also, you guessed it, in the description down below. Today I'm making a set of sea-themed coasters, and these are the products I'll be using. First, these are the coaster molds I'll be using today. They're called 3D sea-themed coasters. I've never made them, so I'm going to attempt to make a sea scene with a shoreline. I will be using some sea-themed embellishments with some J-Diction UV resin. The colors I'll be using are the Ranger in Mermaid, Pinata in Teal, the Color Obsession in Sapphire, and the Mother of Pearl from Reflections. For the resin, I'll be using the polyurethane in white and the T-Expert epoxy resin 1:1 ratio. All the products I'll be using today will be in the description down below. So, without further ado, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Okay, so the first thing that I want to do is get these done. So since I'm using the polyurethane, I have to have everything ready. I have my mother of pearl. It's kind of like a beige mother of pearl. I love it. That's fine. And I decided to use some teddy bear tan from Folk Art, but not sure. Maybe one drop. But let me get this mixed. And I usually mix in the colors once it starts getting warm, like right away. Clean this so I can reuse this. Okay, get this mixed. Two-minute work time. Okay, it's getting warm. Just do one drop. I don't know how it's gonna react, so should be okay though. Oh, forgot to turn off my phone. Okay, this is good. Oops. I hope I have enough. Perfect. I don't think I have enough for any extras. Okay. I'll be back in 10 minutes. Okay. It's been about 10 minutes. It's cured. Still probably needed another 5 minutes. Oh, but look at that. It's got that sandstone look. Love it. Okay. Should I leave it a little bit longer? Oh, I'm impatient. I think I'm going to do that. I'm going to leave it a little bit longer. I'll be right back. Okay, I think it's ready. I've already poured 3 little cups here. I'll do the colors in a second. Yeah. Just needed a few more minutes, but oh my goodness, look at that. Okay. Now time to decorate. Before I pour the resin and the colors, I did want to put these, kind of like decorate it with some UV. This is the J. Diction UV. It's just that I put it in this little bottle so I could use this little brush. So much easier. Okay, let's get some color on these now. Okay, now it's just a matter of getting them cured and finishing them off right after that. So I'll be right back. Okay, they are ready. Oh, they came out so nice. I did decide. I always like to put bumpers just to protect all surfaces. My gosh, it looks so nice. Let's just take care of that now. Beautiful. Let's see if it works. I made this, took 2,000, excuse me, 2,860 crystal rhinestones. I made it last year. If you're interested in seeing how I made this, let me know. It's gonna be a long video, but I think it'll be totally worth it. I love this tumbler. This is a 20-ounce skinny. It's beautiful. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Let me zoom out a little bit. This is the final results. I absolutely love how they came out. If you enjoyed this project, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Don't forget to check out the other amazing creators in the Coasting to the Week collaboration, linked here in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.